Chart of accounts. A chart of accounts is a list of all the accounts used by a company. It provides a structure for organizing financial transactions and helps to ensure that financial statements are accurate and complete. You can create new account from Accounts, select Add an account. You can enter account name, you can select account category, you can select categories as sales, cost of sales, other income, expenses, income tax, non-current assets, current assets, non-current liabilities, current liabilities, and owner's equity. You can select sales for non-item based sales. Cost of sales, any cost associated with sales used to calculate gross profit. Other income, income received such as interest and discount received. Expenses, cost incurred, advertising, rent, stationery, and so on. Income tax, taxes levied on the net income of the company. Non-current assets, items of value lasting for an extended period time, such as property. Current assets, assets expected to be sold or used in under year, such as cash. Non-current liabilities, liabilities to be settled in the future, loans, mortgages, and so on. Current liabilities, liabilities expected to be settled within a year, such as tax owed. Owner's equity, owner's interest in the company. If you have any opening balance, you can enter the opening balance. You can select the opening balance as a date. If you want to set any tax type, you can select tax type. You can enter description for this account. Under Notes tab, you can add any notes to this account. After you enter transactions, you can view from Activity tab. After you enter details, you can save this account. After you create accounts, you can view accounts from List of accounts. Go to Accounts, List, List of accounts. You can view account name, account category, account description, account balance. By clicking these headings, you can sort by ascending or descending order. There are some system accounts you cannot edit. Accounts in blue color you can edit or change. You can search accounts. You can filter accounts. You can sort accounts by multi-columns. By clicking these settings, you can customize this grid. You can check required columns, and if you want to remove any column, you can uncheck that column. You can view number of accounts. If you want to export this list of accounts to CSV file, you can export to CSV.